Maayong hapon kanatong tanan. It's me again, your favorite vlogger, Maria White. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa pamamagitan ng pag-visit lamang po sa YouTube application. Just search my name, Maria White. Just also don't forget to hit the subscribe button para palagi po tayong connected. Okay, sa hapon po na ito, meron po tayong isang napaka-hot at nagbabagang issue na tatalakayin ngayon. At ito po yung naganap kahapon na Miss Universe Philippines 2020 Preliminary Competition, na kung saan meron po tayong bibigyan na isang feedback na isang kandidata po natin. A lot of my friends really asked me to have a good feedback for this certain candidate. But I really wanted to be fair. Gusto ko po talaga magpahayag ng aking feedback sa kanyang performance at kung ano talaga ang kanyang magiging kapalaran sa Grand Finals ng Miss Universe Philippines 2020. Alam ko at alam ninyo na itong kandidata na aking tatalakayin ay isang napakaganda at napakatalinong kandidata. She's actually for me one of a kind candidate. Okay, I really wanted to break my silence for this vlog. For the hot topic na tatalakayin ko ngayong hapon, ito po yung kandidata ng Miss Universe Philippines 2020 na walang iba kundi si Miss Pauline Cucharo Amelinx. As we all know, Pauline Cucharo Amelinx is a half Filipina and also a half Belgian. I'm sorry for that. Pauline is actually very captivating to the eyes of a lot of pageant viewers and also a lot of audience. It's because this candidate really talks with a substance. Kapag sinabi nating yung kandidata natin ay nagsasalita na with substance, ito po yung tipong hindi lang siya kuda ng kuda or hindi lang siya nagbibigay sagot sa mga questions na parang walang unod or walang substance o walang napakalalim na kahulugan. Okay? Pauline is actually joined a lot of pageants like Mucha ng Pilipinas, at sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam natin dyan, siya po yung kandidata rin na tumalo kay Gazini Ganados noon sa isang prestihiyosong pageantry noon. Hindi ko lang talaga alam kung anong pageant iyon. I think that's Miss Bohol, if I'm not mistaken. So, siya po yung tumalo kay Miss Gazini Ganados. Okay. For my feedback or honest feedback for Pauline Amelinx, I actually have also my metrics, kumbaga, or my certain bullet points na tatalakayin sa kandidatang ito. First, metrics or bullet points, yun po yung tinatawag ko pong body. Okay? Let's be honest. Pauline's body is not that kind of beautiful than the other candidates do have. Right? Ang body po ni Pauline Amelinx ay hindi po isa sa mga napakagandang body na ihahawig natin sa ibang kandidata. But, there is actually a great but there. Alam ko naman po na kung body lang yung pag-uusapan, hindi lang po rin napakagandang body ang nakuha ni Miss Catriona Gray nung siya po ay sumasabak sa Binibining Pilipinas roon. Body for me is something that can be toned. Body for me is something that we can really work on for us to have a great figures or a great look at the end of the journey, if si Miss Pauline Amelings man lang din yung mananalo sa Miss Universe Philippines 2020. For me, for her body, it's 50-50. Okay? So let's proceed to the next bullet points. That should be beauty. Okay? When I says beauty, ang beauty na hinahanap ko po rito ay beauty that stands inside and out. When I says inside and out, yun pong yung typical na beauty na hindi lang siya maganda, kung hindi, yung beauty dapat na may ikabubuga. As what we all know, Philippines, Pauline Amelings is a candidate that have a good advocacy, which is actually saving the marine conservation through arts. So nakikita ko sa kanyang advokasya talaga, ang kanyang advokasya talaga ay napakaganda. It's not about the other typical advocacy that the other also candidates have. This candidate is working her advocacy not just last week, not just last month, not just last year, but as far as I'm searching, this candidate already start working her advocacy way back 2018, which she provided a coloring materials or coloring book through kids. Ito po talaga ay napakamagandang senyales na ito po si Miss Pauline Amelings ay may napaka-strong na advocacy to fight on her Miss Universe Philippines journey. Alright? So let's talk about another bullet, which is actually the brain. I am really seeing a lot of interviews that happen with Pauline Amelings. And as far as I am seeing, her comm skills or her communication skills is very good. When I says very good, alam niya yung mga words, at statements na binabato niya. Alam niya kung ano yung tamang proper scripting at proper positioning on how to answer a certain question. So, ito talaga ang napakagandang factory na ating pagbabasihan sa isang napakagandang kandidata na maaari nating isabak sa Miss Universe Philippines journey for the following months right now. For me, Pauline Amelings is actually one of the front runners and one of a strong candidate in Miss Universe Philippines 2020. If ever she won this kind of pageant, talaga, maliit na lang yung chance natin na i-groom natin tong kandidatang ito because this candidate had already a lot of potentials. Okay? And before I actually end my video, I really wanted to tell you a specific story. Ito po ay hindi lang story or hindi lang isang baliwalang istorya na aking sasabihin ngayong hapon na ito. Okay. You can actually visit my Facebook page. I actually posted this kind of statement last September 8 of 2020. Ito po ay hindi gawa-gawa ko lamang kasi may screenshot po ako dito at maaari niyo po itong i-visit sa Facebook ko, which is Maria White. Around 6 a.m. of September 8 of 2020, I just actually woke up in my dream. I don't know why I woke up to my dream, but certainly that dream, naiyak ako. But certainly that dream is all about Pauline Amelinx. Ewan ko kung ano nangyari sa panaginip ko, but my dream is all about Pauline winning the crown on that specific day. Ewan ko kung ito talaga yung possible na mangyayari sa Miss Universe Philippines 2020, but I'm really seeing that on that certain dream that happened on September 8 of 2020, that certain dream, nakita ko talaga na si Pauline Amelinx ang nanalo sa Miss Universe Philippines 2020. Hindi ko alam kung ito ba'y totoo o ito ba'y isang pahiwatig lamang na siya talaga yung mananalo sa araw na yun. But what I'm really seeing heartfully is wala joy kabut ngan ang kalipay nga na-feel ni Miss Pauline Amelinx during that day. I certainly know and I believe makakapasok talaga si Miss Pauline sa top 5 ng Miss Universe. And certainly, if she wins this kind of competition, all of my dreams that happened on September 8 of 2020 is a real sign that we were going to send a beautiful and a good candidate that could really give us a good fight in Miss Universe 2020 in the near future. And that would be the end of my vlog. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's Maria White. Thank you.